Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Deluge application. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In address bar, you need to type Deluge space download and press enter. Now you will see the first website, Deluge Welcome. Okay, it's at delugetorrent.org. Okay, click on it now. Okay, so they have written Deluge is a lightweight, it's a free software, and it is a cross-platform BitTorrent client. Okay, it is a BitTorrent client software and it is a cross-platform. Why it is cross-platform? You can look over here. It is available for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows operating system. Okay, now click on download now. Okay, over here you can see Deluge download and several links are there for Linux. In Linux you can see it is available for lots of distributions now, but we are going to download for Windows. Okay, I'll click on this link installer for 7.8.10. Now this is going to open directory. In this, select the 64-bit .exe Deluge. Okay, I have clicked on the second link. Now this has started the download of Deluge application. This might take some time depending upon your network speed. Alright, so Deluge setup download has completed. We'll click on open button next to it. You'll get a pop-up. Select. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it. Okay, so welcome to Deluge 2.1.1 setup. Click on next. Click on I agree. Okay, make sure these two checkboxes are ticked. Then click on next. Over here you can change the default directory of the installation, but I'll go with the default path. Click on next, then click on next, that is install button, and within few minutes this Deluge application will get installed on our machine. Okay, so it is showing setup was completely successful. Click on next. I'll select this because I want it to create a desktop icon. Click on finish. Okay, so you can see Deluge desktop icon is created. Okay, now another way you can look for it, you can click on Windows button. In search, type Deluge. Okay, and then you can click on open. Okay, for now I'll double click on this Deluge desktop icon. Click on allow. You'll get a pop-up and make this full screen. Okay, so this is how the interface looks like. If you want to add, you can click on this plus button to add a torrent, to remove a torrent. If you want to pause torrents, then you can also resume. Okay, then if you want to add, if you want to create, you can also create torrent to this option. Okay, so that's all about this application. I'll close this for now. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.